Is coming in as hours after India warned Pakistan against harassing Indian officials. Pakistan is now trying to push the hit and run agenda. Two Indian High Commission officials, including a driver, who were on their way to the Islamabad airport to pick up Indian embassy staff this morning. Now, on the way, they were picked up by sleuths of ISI, and now a flimsy story that has been created of a hit-and-run accident and also being put out by the Pakistani media as fed. This being released shortly. I want to cut across to Tejinder, who's joining us with more details. Tejinder, what exactly is the narrative now Pakistan is trying to stitch, and what is the truth to the story? Because as per the recent developments, rather just an hour ago, of how India gave a strong warning to Pakistan, Pakistan agreed and has decided to release the Indian staffers. But obviously, they're still playing notorious and trying to weave out a story contrary to what may have happened. What more are you picking up?
See, Swesha, Pakistan is known for fabricating lies and fabricating stories. What the sources have confirmed to Republic TV is that earlier this morning, two staff of the Indian High Commission, including a driver of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, they were on their way to the Islamabad airport to pick up the embassy staff that had just landed there. And when they were on their way back, home, they were picked up by the ISI agents who were following them. And now Pakistan, the ISI is making a flimsy, a fake story that is being given to the Pakistani media, saying that these two officials of the Indian High Commission, they were involved in a hit and run case. So this is a concocted, a fake story that has been peddled by the ISI and given to the Pakistani media. We know that the Pakistan media has gone berserk. They are saying that a civilian was injured in a hit and run case. Earlier they said a car was hit by these officials. Then they said that no, a pedestrian was hit. So a fake story, a fake narrative is being built by the ISI. But in reality, what Republic TV has learned from reliable sources is that these two staff members of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, they had gone to the Islamabad airport to pick up the staff members of the Indian embassy. And when they were on their way back to the Indian High Commission, they were picked by the ISI men. They were taken to a place. Now, after the Ministry of External Affairs summoned rather the chargé d'affaires of Pakistan to the MEA and issued a demarque to the Pakistan chargé d'affaires, and after that Pakistan admitted that the two staff members of the Indian diplomatic mission in Pakistan, they are in custody with Pakistan and they would be soon released. A fake and concocted narrative is being peddled by the Pakistani media, which is given to them by the ISI, saying that these two officials, they were involved in a hit and run case, but this is not the case. They were picked up by the ISI agents, and we know how the ISI for the past couple of weeks have been harassing the Indian diplomats. Even the chargé d'affaires, Gaurav Ahluwalia, was harassed. His vehicle was dowtailed. Yes, Swesha.
Absolutely, Tejinder. A, it is a concocted story. B, obviously Pakistan is now trying to cover up on the versions it kept giving out, and there was a complete mismatch in that. And in all this, Pakistan trying to save its face by attempting to have an upper hand, but that is clearly not the case, because Pakistan is completely exposed in the way they continue to target those who are in Islamabad from our side.
Swesha, if you remember, just late last month, two staff members of the Pakistan High Commission in Delhi, they were caught red-handed in an espionage racket, and then they were declared as persona non grata, and they were sent back to Pakistan. After that, the Pakistan ISI, they started harassing the Indian staff of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. We also showed those visuals where the ISI agents, they were following, they were downtailling the vehicle vehicle of Gaurav Ahluwalia, the Indian charge d'affaires in Pakistan. Since then, the India also lodged a complaint with Pakistan as the staff members of the Indian High Commission, they were being harassed. And now earlier this morning, we reported how 2 staff members of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, they went missing, they went incommunicado. Now a fake narrative was peddled by the Pakistan's ISI to the Pakistani media that these two Indian High Commission staff members, they were involved in a hit and run case. Earlier they said that the hit and run case was a civilian vehicle was involved. Then they said that a pedestrian was injured in the hit and run case. So clearly Pakistan is unable to hold the fake narrative which Pakistan itself is peddling, and now Pakistan once again stands exposed. Yes, Swisha.
Absolutely. Tejinder, many thanks for getting us these latest details. On that note, it's time